Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this device here. This is the OLUBFDH Crossline Laser. It's in 4D for dimension 16 lines, 4 times 360 degrees green self-leveling laser with a spirit level for construction, for work, and picture hanging in your rooms, for example. With 2 batteries, charging port, adjustable brightness level, and magnetic stand in green. It's a beginner line laser. 2 horizontal 360 degrees and 2 vertical 360 degrees planes can be covered the entire room, such as floor, wall, ceiling, stairs, etc. 2 vertical lines intersection at an angle of 90 degrees allows us user to quickly visualize and complete a square layout. And we have adaptive laser brightness from world-class source. With the state-of-the-art technology, this laser spirit level is classified as a Class 2 laser with less than 1 MW of the power. Accuracy of plus minus 1.5 millimeter. It offers exceptional accuracy in a range of up to 30 meters. Adjust the brightness setting simply by pressing and hold the designated buttons to ensure optimal visibility in different working environments. And it comes with a self-leveling and manual mode. The cross-line laser is self-leveling up to a slope of plus minus 3 degrees. The manual mode, we have to press and hold the middle button for 3 seconds to turn on the manual mode. We can project laser lines at any angle and meter aligned needs from different angles. And we have a multi-installation methods. Because the laser leveler offers a magnetic stand, a small tripod, a height adjustment base, and a 1/4 inches adapter. The 360 degrees magnetic stand with a fine adjustment knob is suitable for wall applications and has a 1/4 inches thread for various tripods. The height adjustment base lifts the device to eliminate unevenness in a range of 0.95 to 3.23 inches. The 360 degrees rotatable base facilitates the adjustment of the laser line position, while the fine adjustment knob is used for fine adjustment. You see, this is a really good beginner cross laser which you can use for construction, for DIY jobs at home. And it brings all the basic with this. We have a remote control, a large capacity batteries because we have 2 of them. It's pocket mini size, IP54 waterproof, dust protected. We have an impulse mode, a manual mode, a self mode, or a self-leveling within plus 3 degrees. It's toggle horizontal lines, increase of the brightness. Then, of course, we have a mount, or we can mount this on our tripods, for example. We can mount this on an hang area where there is an area with metal. We can install it 360 degrees rotatable. It's only 0.64 pound. We have an adaptive in mini format for most scenes available. It's good for the yard, for the basement, for the bathroom, for the kitchen, for the laying on the floor tiles, high precision laser for indoor and outdoor use, installation of windows or doors, drill holes on of course the same lines. Woodworking is good for that, or a correction of beveled corners, hanging decoration tiles, and pictures and something else. We have 16 liner laser, 2 batteries, a power charger, 1/4 inches step bracket, and of course different step mounts, which we can use to operate with that device. because this is the beginner OLUBFDH cross line laser. It's a 4-dimension, 16 lines, and each line is 360 degrees, green self-leveling laser device, a spirit laser for construction, for work, and of course with DIY jobs. So it easy. That's a good tool which you can use at home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun.